Incorporating just 10 push-ups into your daily routine can significantly transform your body and enhance your overall fitness. This simple yet effective exercise targets multiple muscle groups, building strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps. By committing to this manageable workout, you not only improve your physical appearance but also boost your endurance and core stability. The key to reaping these benefits lies in consistency. Making push-ups a daily habit can lead to remarkable progress over time. Embrace this straightforward approach to fitness and watch as your body becomes stronger and more toned with each passing day. Step 1. Understanding the basics of push-ups reveals their incredible benefits for your body. This classic exercise primarily targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps, effectively building upper body strength. Additionally, push-ups engage your core, promoting stability and balance. Incorporating push-ups into your daily routine also offers cardiovascular benefits, as they elevate your heart rate and improve overall endurance. By consistently performing push-ups, you enhance not only your muscle strength but also your stamina, making everyday activities easier. This simple yet powerful exercise is a cornerstone of fitness, helping you achieve a stronger, healthier, muscular body over time. Step 2. Learning the correct push-up form is essential for maximizing benefits and preventing injury. Start by placing your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, ensuring your fingers point forward. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels, with your core engaged and back flat. This alignment helps distribute weight evenly and targets the right muscle groups. Maintaining a straight back is crucial. Avoid sagging or arching your spine. For optimal performance, focus on your breathing. Inhale as you lower your body and exhale as you push back up. Proper form and breathing will enhance your push-up effectiveness and overall workout experience. Step 3. Starting with a manageable number of push-ups is key to building strength without overwhelming yourself. If you're new to this exercise, begin with just 5 push-ups, focusing on maintaining proper form. This approach allows you to develop confidence and technique while minimizing the risk of injury. As your strength improves, gradually increase the number of push-ups you perform each week. This progressive challenge will help you stay motivated and track your progress. Remember to listen to your body. If you feel fatigued or experience discomfort, take a break. Consistency and patience are essential for achieving your fitness goals effectively. Step 4. Incorporating variations into your push-up routine can keep your workouts engaging and effective. Explore different push-up styles, such as wide grip, diamond, and incline push-ups. Each variation targets different muscle groups. For instance, wide grip emphasizes the chest, while diamond push-ups focus on the triceps. Incline push-ups are great for beginners or those looking to modify the intensity. By mixing up your routine, you not only prevent boredom, but also challenge your muscles in new ways, promoting overall strength development. As you progress, don't hesitate to experiment with these variations to find what works best for you and keeps your workouts fresh. Step 5. Tracking your progress and setting goals is essential for staying motivated on your fitness journey. Consider keeping a journal or using an app to record your daily push-up count, allowing you to visualize your improvements over time. Setting both short-term and long-term fitness goals can provide direction and motivation, whether it's increasing your push-up count or mastering new variations. Additionally, celebrating milestones, no matter how small, helps maintain enthusiasm and reinforces your commitment to fitness. Acknowledging your achievements keeps you inspired and focused, making the journey toward a stronger body both rewarding and enjoyable. Stay consistent and watch your progress unfold. Step 6. Combining push-ups with a balanced fitness routine enhances your overall results and keeps workouts exciting. Pair push-ups with exercises like squats and planks to create a comprehensive full-body workout that targets multiple muscle groups. This combination not only builds strength, but also improves endurance and stability. Remember, rest days are crucial for muscle recovery, allowing your body to repair and grow stronger. Additionally, maintaining a balanced diet rich in nutrients supports your fitness journey, fueling your workouts and aiding recovery. By integrating these elements, you'll create a sustainable routine that promotes long-term health and fitness success. Stay committed and enjoy the journey. In summary, incorporating just 10 push-ups into your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in strength, endurance, and overall fitness. We discussed the importance of proper form, starting with manageable numbers and incorporating variations to keep your workouts engaging. Tracking your progress and combining push-ups with a balanced fitness routine are essential for long-term success. Now is the time to take action and embark on your push-up journey today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from more fitness content. Together, let's achieve our fitness goals.